ng lahat, po kayo sa ating DRDA, Brigadier General Marshal Mustado. Morning, DRDO, Colonel Rodelio Samson, ating Chief of Regional Staff, Colonel Alan Co, the Division Chiefs, Senior Officers, Police Commission Officers, Police Non-Commissioned Officers, non-uniformed personnel, at sa mga families, friends, guests of our promoted non-uniform personnel and newly appointed non-uniform personnel. Sa newly appointed NUP natin, welcome to the Philippine National Police. You are now members of the Philippine National Police. Pag sinabing PNP personnel, composed of the Police Commission Officers, Police Non-Commission Officer, and the non-uniform personnel. Let me congratulate the newly promoted and appointed non-uniform personnel for reaching this significant milestone of their career. To your families, we have been a source of love and inspiration, as well as your colleagues and mentors who have guided you in this field. I extend my heartfelt appreciation and congratulations. Palakpakan po natin ang newly appointed and promoted. As non-uniformed personnel have made significant contributions to the PNP throughout the years, your functions displayed true selflessness and persistence in meeting the expectations of the organization despite the administrative and technical pressures you face. Let me remind the newly promoted non-uniformed personnel that this promotion is tied to a new greater duty that begins with dedicated service. In addition to your outstanding act of public service, I am certain that you will continue to address organizational weaknesses while upholding the PNP's vision and goal. To the newly appointed non-uniform personnel, pakitaas po ang kamay ng mga newly appointed. Kilala ko yung iba dyan. Sa pagkibaba. Trust that the PRO2 will be there at every turn as you take on the new responsibilities of being a civil servant. Remember that if we all work together and do our parts, no task is insurmountable when dealing with the organization's diverse needs and responsibilities. Sa panahong ito, mahalaga ang pagkakaroon ng integridad at pagiging tapat sa tungkulin. Ang inyong mga aksyon ay magpapakita ng dedikasyon sa inyong trabaho at sa sinumpang tungkulin. Sa bawat araw na inyong harapin, maging gabay sana ninyo ang prinsipyo at katapatan sa katarungan. Ang inyong mga kilos at desisyon ay magtatatda ng direksyon sa ating organisasyon at ng ating komunidad. Kaya hinikayat ko kayong patuloy na maging inspirasyon sa iba at maglingkod ng may pagmamahal at dedikasyon. Be a role model for others by consistently maintaining the highest level of professionalism. I offer my deepest congratulations to the selection board headed by Brigadier General Marshal Mustado. Maraming salamat in ensuring a fair and smooth process of application to our non-uniform personnel. To our promotees and newly appointed non-uniform personnel, again, congratulations at mabuhay po kayo. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Kuya. And before we conclude this activity, may we have a photo opportunity with our regional director. Okay, may we request the newly appointed non-uniformed personnel to please move to the center stage. And that concludes today's activity. To our newly promoted and appointed non-uniformed personnel, once again, congratulations and welcome to the PNP organization. And so from here, we will invite the Army, the command group, and our staff, including the newly promoted and appointed non-uniformed personnel for a simple refreshment at the PCO Clubhouse. Thank you.